What's going on, guys? Edwin Beast 99ers, aka Lil Chubby 42 the fucking cut. Schlack. Eat it. As you guys can tell, I'm still pretty fucking sick. You know, I've been sipping on that quality water. Just for everybody, just so I stay healthy, stay slim. Just kidding. Lil Chubby stay fat, eat it. Alright, so giveaway ended yesterday. I gave it all day and I would post the video today. I picked the comments and everything for you guys. So after I name the winners and I read their comments, and I'll hit them up on Instagram, and then I'll give them like 2 days to respond back with their email and address and their, you know, their zip codes and stuff, whatever, so I can send them their packages. That being said, I'm probably not going to send anything out till Saturday or Monday, just because it's supposed to start snowing today, and it's going to be a bitch to try to get to the post office and shit and send it. So let's start. Let's get into it. So I screenshotted it or whatever, and I pulled it up on my phone. I'll probably post a picture of that comment right here. Maybe I won't, just because I'm lazy. Alright, so first one is by my Instagram is 4little_J. This is a story. I picked this one because it was crazy as shit. Alright, I'm gonna start reading. I'm gonna call this reading time with Chubby. If little Chubby 42 was at a concert, I would be singing along. Then I would drug him, steal him, put him in my basement, get scissors and cut all his dreads off, put them on my head, and then go back to the concert bald. Then I'd throw pizza at you, then make a cake, throw it at the haters. It has dynamite in it, so they would explode. I would set them on fire, like my ears when I'm listening to your songs and my eyes when I'm watching your videos. Also, why I need to win is because I'm going to start dreads, and I want you to follow me on my journey. I've been subscribed since day 1, and your dreads, well, week 4, laughing emoji. I want to send you a picture of my dreads every month, so I need that stuff. They don't really sell rubber bands in England. It's stupid, and they don't sell latch hooks or crochet hooks. They do, but they are so expensive, like $20. And I need it because then I'm your biggest fan, so yeah. My Instagram is 4little_J. So shout out to him. I know he supports my videos a lot, I think. Or he's always commenting on all my videos. So yeah. That's the first winner. 4little_J. Second one was a comment by Antohi. It's like ANTOHI_Raul, like RAUL. Sorry if I butchered your name. This story is So Little Chubby is having his first concert with not much people, but it's the first time Little Chubby lays down in the backstage and sipping from that codeine and blowing big ass clouds. He was a little bit scared because maybe he will freeze on stage. When Little Chubby was walking on stage with a lot of emotions, the people are starting to scream. When they saw Little Chubby, and Little Chubby starts to sing that Fire Zanland Brotho, which is a song. Go hit the link in my Instagram bio. The fans loved him so much that every fan did a photo with him, and after the concert he realized that he is gaining a lot of clout, and all the famous rappers started to contact him for featuring. And he released the Zanland Brotho music video, and he just blew up on the internet. The best song ever. And then he actually left a link to that song in the comment, so you guys might want to go check that out. Love your vids. Instagram is Antoni_Raul. So he's a second winner. YouTube name is young.brandon, but instead of an A, it's an X, and instead of a D, it's an X. You've given me so much advice, it's unreal. I started my dreads with what I thought was helpful and knowledge that would work, but a lot of what I thought was wrong. You've helped me maintain my dreads, retwist, and you've helped me with interlocking. I had no clue at all how to interlock, and you taught me over messages. Meanwhile, the videos of others didn't do shit. You've helped me overall with everything about dreads. Dead ass everything. From the basic rubber bands to interlocking and even some musical tips, as well as just talking about life in general. I'm ducked in my head, and you help me. Just being able to talk to someone about my hair and life is amazing. I love the content and all the tips you give me. It makes me stay me. Thank you, Little Chubby. On some real shit, IG most.x.dope. Gang, shout out to him. All these people, and I picked these comments because they're the ones that I could tell that they took time and they took energy, like they took time out of their day to actually sit down and think about what they were going to write. Although some of the comments, some of them just wrote random, very small things, and there was nothing wrong with that, but I can tell that these came from the heart. And there were some that came from the heart that I just had to narrow it down. So sorry if I don't call out your name in this. So most.x.dope, you are the third winner. Fourth one was, his name is Little Uzi 1600. This was a short one. It just says, I recently got dreads and DM'd you, and you really helped me out with it because I wanted to take him out, but I asked for some help. I just thought I'd listen to you and see what happens, and it's going good. I'm just leaving them and letting them do whatever the fuck they want. Thank you, bro. Insta @off_white666. So you are the fourth winner. This one's by Chris Ruiz. His Instagram name is also Chris Ruiz, and I think he also followed me on Snapchat, now that I remember. You gave me advice about how to do the twist and rip method, and when I first watched your videos, it got me to start trying to get dreads, and you're hella funny, and you give great tips about dreads, so thank you. I do my thing and try to be nice to people. You dig? Alright, so that would have been all 5. I'm hoping they watch this video. First one is for little_J. Make sure to DM me if you watch this video. Antoni _Raul, aka, again, ANTOHI_RAUL. DM me if you watch this video. Most.x.dope. Make sure you DM me if you watch this video. If not, then I'm gonna pick other winners, guys. The last one is Little Uzi 1600 or @off_white666. Make sure if you watch this video, DM me. DM me saying you won the giveaway. So yeah. And Chris Ruiz, make sure you DM me saying you watched the video, saying that you're a winner. And then once you guys hit me up saying like, hey, shit, I won, I will definitely tell you guys what's going to be the next step from there. So I'm going to give that a few days, and then we'll get a couple shit. So if you guys DM me, you guys might get, when you guys get your package, you guys might get an extra couple of goodies. I'm not going to tell you what they are yet, but you guys might get some extra little stuff that you guys weren't expecting to get. So make sure, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notification, gang. Hit my IG @LilChubby402, and make sure you guys hit post notifications, so whenever I post something new, you guys can go check that out. Make sure hit music or whatever. Hit the link down below. I dropped my Life Sucks EP, and don't worry guys, my dyeing my hair red video is coming soon. I was gonna post it sometime soon, but I didn't want it to interfere with this video, so I'm probably gonna post it sometime next week. And you guys should start DMing me on Instagram with pictures of your dreads, so I can do like a subscriber / followers dreads video, so I can check out your guys' hair and post them on these videos. If I get at least 10, then I'll drop my first video on that. If not, then we're gonna have to wait. Other than that, thank you guys for getting me to 500 subscribers. I would never believe I would have got to 500 subscribers, and now I did. I'm almost on my way to 600 now. Please go tell your friends, tell people to go follow me. Not only follow me, but subscribe and watch my videos. Would love and cherish them. I'd like to, you know, keep following my journey with my dreads. I know I haven't done much with my hair. I tend not to do much maintenance, but there we go. I'm getting like about a year and 8 months now. I'm like between a year and 7 months and 8 months. It's kind of hard. You kind of forget after a long time. Like after a year, you kind of start forgetting. I can't wait till I'm at it for 2 years. It's insane. I'll be at like 2 years in June. You guys do the math on how old my dreads are. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Again, giveaway winners, hit me up on my DMs on Instagram at LilChubby42. You guys should already be following me. I kind of checked and you guys are. So thank you. Bye.